Hey guys, I'm at work. Look at these cool clouds. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up. These are some crazy clouds. As you can see, we're getting some weather here in northern Utah. But I come out here to these cool freaking clouds. I've always seen this on the weather on our news channel, but they are literally right above me right now. How cool is that? They dissipate this way. They dissipate there. But look at these little fluffy round what do they call this? I can't remember what kind of clouds they call this. But just a short video. I love anything to do with the sky, clouds, thunder, lightning. I mean, that is so dang cool. All right, shut up. I'm easily entertained, right? But what the Lord has done, I mean, it's just amazing how beautiful something so simple as clouds can actually be. Look at those fluffy guys. That is crazy. Crazy good. Thanks for watching.